Hello, welcome back to another video. This is just a short video of this Telesin 3-slot battery charging station I got for my GoPro camera. I kept running out of batteries quick, so I thought I'd get another couple of batteries. Then I saw this on eBay and it seems pretty good, so I thought I'd just do a bit of an unboxing on it. So that's the product there. The instruction manual there. It doesn't need much instruction really, it's pretty much straightforward. That's the USB cable. It's only a short cable. And that's the actual charging station. That's a cover for the USB socket. It's like a shiny, like a neoprene shiny surface on it. That's the button there for opening the lid. It's also got a little carry handle on the top. And it's got 3 slots for the batteries. This set comes with 2 batteries, but you can get different sets. 2 storage slots at the top for micro SD cards. A little bit fiddly get in, they didn't click in as good, but they did get in the end. And I found them a little bit tough to come out, but it was no issue really. That's that. That there is actually a micro SD card reader, so the actual computer will pick that up, so you can transfer your images. That's the battery there, just placing it in, clicks in. These aren't genuine GoPro batteries, they actually say Telesin on the side. See the difference there, but they look identical. But you do pay a lot more for genuine GoPro. All the power, the milliamps is the same. So you get 2 with it. That's my GoPro one on the left. So they do look identical. That's back to front there. They aren't the same way around there. Plug it into the charging dock first. I'm just going to plug it into the computer now. You can just hear it connect there. Right, as you see at the front now, when you load them in, if they charge they go green, but if they're not charged they stay red. These are all charged, so it's a handy little touch at the front really, that is. That's just inserting the memory card at the back. And you can hear it connect to the computer. And it does transfer data fine because I've tried it, so. Because on my computer you have to go fiddling around the back of the monitor, but it's quite handy having it there and there. What I did here, I had the GoPro recording with both batteries. I had my setting as 1080/60 wide, and I basically recorded on both of them until the batteries run out. And this is just a little comparison on the GoPro battery and the new Telesin battery. So basically I took a note every 15-minute intervals of the percentage remaining on the GoPro for both batteries. Then I just let them run out then and just got a time at the end. So at 15 minutes the Telesin 78%, the GoPro 84%. At 30 minutes the Telesin 52%, the GoPro 65%. At 45 minutes the Telesin 25%, the GoPro 46%. And at 60 minutes the Telesin 4% remaining and the GoPro 26% remaining. In a total record time, the Telesin 68 minutes and the GoPro 74 minutes. I will say it also depends on if your screen's on your GoPro on or off. I suppose there's a lot of things taken account, but this was just my test really for me, so I thought it was interesting to share. Also, my GoPro battery is had many recordings and the Telesin's supposed to be brand new, so that's worth taking into account. And as for not a GoPro battery, it seems pretty good really, so it's always good for having more batteries when you're doing projects and stuff, so yeah, I'll give it a test anyway, see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for looking. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll catch you in the next one. Any questions please ask. Thank you.